Yo, what up YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blow, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys, and I know you guys probably see a different color. I'm just trying some different things with my setups now and my camera footage, so it may be a little bit darker. Normally I keep it at auto, so I can have the brightest video, but I wanted to try something a little bit different. So no further ado, you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So, what did we get? As you can see, the title and the thumbnail, everything that's up on here. We got a new fan for the camera, and I'm going to show you the reason why I brought this one compared towards the other one I got. So, if you see my other video, I showed you that there was some type of liquid, whatever on it. Personally, I don't want to use it because I don't know what that liquid is. Secondly, it doesn't push out a lot of air. It's very minimum when you got it on the highest setting. So it barely pushes out any air. It barely keeps it cool. I do use it for a charger just to charge the battery up on here. But I am going to show you the differences towards it. Like, to be honest, I want to just put gloves on like what happened to the last time. So we got this one. So go. Just gonna scrape it up like that. Here we go. So we got this one right here. Let's lift this up if I get that plastic off my hand. Slide this out. Here we go. And let's see if this one is actually wet like how the other one was. I'm not seeing no liquid. Yeah, this one is clean. It's not wet. I'm not seeing no wet marks on here. This one is cold. Like, this is metal. This is like plastic with metal. This right here was just... This is like the straight plastic. You get USB charger right here. Okay. And you get the battery charger right here. Anything else in the bottom? Nope, nothing else. There we go. Put this back in here. It's the battery. Let's see if there's any wet moisture in here. Nope, not seeing nothing wet or moist. Yeah, so I don't know. When I opened that one up, that thing was just wet with moisture. It could be because it was in a inside the warehouse in Amazon for a long amount of time. It did have plastic on it when I opened it, so couldn't have no contamination. But when I try to use it, this one right here just does not push out a lot of cold air, so it doesn't really matter. The reason why I brought that other one was specifically for this, so I can do this and charge it like that. Turn it on. 5. It's barely cold. Like, I barely feel anything on this. I barely feel anything on that. So let's check this one out. See if it has any juice. We may have to charge this up for a second. Does this have any juice in it? Yeah, this has some juice. Actually has a lot of juice. Oh, I can feel it. And this thing right here is cold to the touch. Oh, this is cold. Oh, yeah. This plate right here. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. Oh, yeah, that's cold. You can actually see it. Like when I put a print in here. Like, watch. Get some moisture, like heat on here. Oh, that's cold. You can actually see my fingerprint deteriorating on here. Yo, this thing is like an ice box. I'm not gonna cap. Oh yes, let's throw this one here real quick. And it's very low. Did you hear it real quick? Put it on. I might just keep it on auto. Oh. So when I put it on auto, I got it on my hand right. I'm getting tongue tied. All right, I got it on my hand. So I got it on auto. So my hand is warm. I'm gonna put my hand in my pocket real quick just to get my hands really. Yo, I can literally feel that air. Okay. My hands is hot. Oh yeah, now it got super cold now on auto. Oh yeah. Now you can hear it. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this on my camera from now on. This is well worth it. This is worth the money. You can get this right now on Amazon for like what, 34 bucks right now. It's normally on sale for like 40 something, but they have a sale going on. So you pop that off just like that. Keep the, oh yeah. This is worth the money. This is way better than this. This is just something cheap. This thing is an ice pack. Ooh, I wonder how much it'll lower down temperatures like on my computers and stuff like that. I'm gonna overheat my phone and I'm just gonna pop this on the back of it, just like set it on there and see how fast it makes my phone cold. Alright guys, this is the ULANZI CU01 camera cooler kit. Grab this one. Make sure you grab this one. It's worth it. I'm gonna do some live streams. I'm gonna purchase Arc Raiders and see how I like that game. And I'm gonna do a recording using my Sony ZV-E10 Mark II and see how that goes. Let's see if how long it takes for my camera to cut off. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.